Hi my sweet friends, it's Christa Clark with artisticvegan.com, and today we are making jam bars, raspberry jam bars. I made these for Gerald and I about a week ago or so and shared on social media, and I had a lot of requests for what they were and how to make them. So let's get into how to make them. It's super easy. You just need a shortbread type crust, the jam, and that's it. So you won't need very many ingredients. So I have some raspberry jam, add a little bit of CBD oil to a pan, then add your favorite berries. I used raspberries today. And then I added some chopped dates for some natural sweetness. And then from there, you'll want to let it bubble and cook for a little while. And then after a bit, you can add some flax meal and chia seeds to help it thicken up. And you can also add a little extra sweetener. I did add a little extra date sugar just to bring it to life. Now this step is 100% optional, but I thought it might be nice if we made it a little more fancy and added some raspberry mousse on top. You'll want to scoop the cream off of the coconut can. So here we go, in there. I have some raspberry jam here. I'm gonna add that in. And then you can sweeten it to taste. I'm just gonna add about 1, 2, 2.5 little squirts. Then you'll just wanna blend that up until it's nice and smooth. So over to the blender. And you can just pour that in a bowl and place it in the fridge for a couple of hours or more to firm up. So now you just want to cream together the coconut sugar and the coconut oil. Just a wonderful flavor sensation of raspberry. That is heavenly. You can get that recipe over at artisticvegan.com. Your taste buds are gonna love it. It's got just the creaminess from the raspberry mousse and then the delicious soft, almost crumble-like texture with the berries on the inside from the jam bars. More jam on top, and I have a matcha to wash it down. Pretty delicious. I think you're really gonna love it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I come out with a new one. Until then, I'll see you then. Bye. And then I have a matcha, These I made for Gerald and I about a week ago or so. Let me start over. Take a deep breath. Extra date sugar just to bring it to life. Sorry, had a mosquito. Anyways, bye. Whoa.